Converting JSON string to dictionary, not list. I am trying to pass in a JSON file and convert the data into a dictionary. So far, this is what I have done. I'm expecting JSON1_data to be a dict type, but it actually comes out as a list type when I check it with type JSON1_data. What am I missing? I need this to be a dictionary so I can access one of the keys.
Your JSON is an array with a single object inside, so when you read it in you get a list with a dictionary inside. You can access your dictionary by accessing item 0 in the list, as shown below. Now you can access the data stored in data points just as you were expecting. I have one more question if anyone can bite. I am trying to take the average of the first elements in these data points, i.e. data points 0, 0. Just to list them, I tried doing data points 0:5, 0, but all I get is the first data point with both elements as opposed to wanting to get the first 5 data points containing only the first element. Is there a way to do this? Data points 0:5, 0 doesn't do what you're expecting. Data points 0:5 returns a new list slice containing just the first 5 elements, and then adding 0 on the end of it will take just the first element from that resulting list slice. What you need to use to get the result you want is a list comprehension. Here's a simple way to calculate the mean. If you're willing to install NumPy, then it's even easier. Using the operator with the slicing syntax for NumPy's arrays has the behavior you were originally expecting with the list slices.
Here is a simple snippet that reads in a JSON text file from a dictionary. Note that your JSON file must follow the JSON standard, so it has to have double quotes rather than single quotes. Your JSON dump.txt file. Python script.
You can use the following.
The best way to load JSON data into dictionary is you can use the inbuilt JSON loader. Below is the sample snippet that can be used.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.